Hey guys, today I am going to share you an app through which you can earn money by using predictions. Okay, so what's that prediction name? Here, it's Coem. I will provide you this app link. Okay, so you can download using my link, and I will add you to our premium prediction group. So after opening this, you will see something interface like this. So first you have to register by clicking here. Okay, when you register here you will be asked for name, uh, phone number, emails, etc. Just provide it and verify it. After verifying it, just click on win option. Okay, when you click on win option, you will see an interface like this. So here it is your available balance. Okay, here you will see your available balance. By clicking on recharge button, you can recharge, means a deposit amount, and here it's the rule. You can read this rule that how much you will earn here using this prediction. So every 2 minutes and 30 seconds you can make a one prediction, but every time your prediction cannot be right. So here I will provide it 70 to 80% of correct prediction every time. Okay, so I will tell you how much amount uh, you have to trade. Okay, and when you have to double your amount every time when I say you have to do that. Okay, so here there is a three button: green button, red button, violet button. So whenever I provide you an image with red button, violet button, green button, you have to click as soon as possible before this countdown ends. Okay, so how it's work, let's see first how we can deposit here. First you have to click on this recharge button. Okay, then select your amount. You can deposit with rupees 100, and also you can withdraw in of 100 rupees, and the amount will be credited between 10 to 30 minutes. Here there is a two options: cash free, UPI. You have to select UPI option if you are Indian. So click on recharge. It's asking for UPI account. So if you are paying from phone pay, then uh, you have to just fill your mobile number, phone pay mobile number. So it's my phone pay mobile number is this. Okay, after filling mobile number you have to add at the rate and YBL. Okay, yeah. So it's the UPI of phone pay. uh, Now it's asking for actual name, so I will put my actual name. I'm okay. Now it's asking for mobile number. Just put your mobile number. Mobile number should be of that is attached with bank account. Okay, now click continue. Just await. Here it's saying when your payment is successful, please press OK. So first you have to pay. Okay, don't click OK. So first pay here by opening phone pay account here. So I am going to pay him 100 rupees. So I am pause my video because I am going to enter UPI pin. Okay, so guys, I entered my UPI pin. Let's continue. So here I have paid him money. Okay, so I will click done, and back to our Coem account, and then click here OK. So here you can see that before before deposit it's 49, now it's 149. Okay, so, through this method you can deposit here. Now how to earn here? Okay, so you can see our prediction method. Here we will provide many, at least five predictions here. So you can see first prediction is win, second prediction is also win. Okay, sorry, second prediction is lose, third win, fourth win, fifth win. So I will only provide you predictions with only two win per day. Okay, so that you should not lose more. Okay, I will tell you amount how much you have to use, how much you not have to use. You don't have to use this provided amount to bet. Okay, we will set amount according to the amount we want to earn per day in two trades. Okay, now here it's second prediction. Here you can see first win, second win, third prediction win, fourth prediction win, sorry, fourth prediction loss, and fifth prediction win. So most of the predictions we are going to win. Only some predictions are going to lose. So to reduce the loss, we will provide you only, we will stop with one two win. Okay, let's suppose if we first win, then we will play once again. If we lose, uh, second one, and again if we lose, third one, and again after losing two times, if we win third one, that then we will stop our prediction there. So we will be in profit. Okay, when I lose, I will told you to double your amount every time you lose. So you have to keep your you have to um, trade only 5 to 10% of your amount, so that you have a specific, yeah, enough amount to martingale or double the amount. Okay, so all that it is work, how it's work, how to be, how to work. Okay, first we will provide a, first we will provide an image like this. Okay, when yeah, you can see here number 22432 advice emerald color green. So आपको, so you have to choose this as fast as possible. You have to choose emerald because advice is emerald, and it's saying you have to choose green. So here before this countdown ends, you have to click green button and select 10 amount. Okay, 100 amount, whatever you want to invest. If you want to invest 30 amount, then select 10 and just increase it. As you can see, uh, when I increase it by 3, the 10 amount is increased multiplied by 3. So here total amount is 30. Okay, so if I want to bet 10 rupees, then I will click 10 rupees and amounts, and this will be 1, and I have to agree the rules. Okay, and then we need to press confirm. So our bet has been, you can see here, it's in waiting. So after this countdown ends, your result will be shown. Like this we will do this prediction. So if anything you can't able to understand, you can ask your mentor. They will say you how to do it. It's an awesome way. If you want to do this, you can start with 100 rupees, and you can withdraw amount within 10 to 30 minutes. It's so easy. Okay, so let's guys, we will start it. Ask your mentor how to do, ask him for link, he will give you link to download this app, register, and earn your desired amount of per day in 2 trades. Have a good luck.